Hello, my name's Ray. What's your name? It's a really pretty name. I like that name. Thanks. I really wanted to know it. I appreciate it. I feel like we're connecting now. I feel like we're friends. Are we friends? I want to be your friend. Please be my friend. I don't really have friends. Except Heather. And she really doesn't count. There was this one day I was hoping something would come to me. Nothing came. I'm kind of disappointed.
Things I love. The color black. Alabama. Things I hate. The color orange. Puke. Heather. Ducks. Chickens.
She's a little piece of ice.